Have you ever wanted to make your own Mars rover? Or more specifically, the Mars Perseverance bot, the one that just came out in 2020 with that cool drone that they flew around on Mars? Well, all of the 3D files are available on the NASA website for free. And you can actually print out all of the different components and make your own Perseverance bot. So I didn't even know that this existed. I just learned about it because I found a maker named Alex Givens, who here you can see printed it out in a black and white PLA filament and then put it around in the desert. I don't know if he was actually driving it or if it actually had motors or not. It's probably just a model, but put it around in a desert, probably in Arizona or in Utah, and it took pictures and made it look like it was actually on Mars. It looks really, really awesome. I'm guessing it's a lot of different components that you have to 3D print, but a really, really cool project. So all you have to do is go to this website right here, and you're able to download the zip file. And it seems that NASA even understands that people are going to 3D print this, and they have a little email here where you can tell your experiences with 3D printing their models. The website itself actually has a lot of different models directly from NASA. So you have plenty to keep yourself busy with and do a lot of really cool stuff. The thing that I really like about this Perseverance bot specifically is in terms of making your own real-life game. So you could make, or you could 3D print this, hook up motors to those different wheels and maybe some servos on the arm, and hook it onto the internet and let people control it inside of a desert and make it look like Mars, and have them go to find a missing alien that's buried somewhere or under some rock, or alien eggs or something like that. And if 4G connection is decent enough out in Arizona or in Utah, I don't know, maybe someone can let me know in the comments. If that is good enough out there, you could have people all over the world logging in to play with this Mars rover bot, driving around Mars, and maybe find a jackpot, or some, if they find something special, they win a bunch of prizes or products or money or something. Could be a really interesting promotion or some sort of a viral game. Now, that's not a completely original idea. There was a student project when I was living up in eastern Finland in a small town called Joensuu. And what they did is they made their own Mars rover, a fully functioning one. I think it was about this big, and it had an arm on it. And what they did is they hooked it up to the internet and let students in Africa control it, located here in Finland, and drive around a full terrain map that they made with all different topology to look like Mars. And they had to, if I remember right, they had to go to specific points on the map to finish the game. And this was 8 to 10 years ago. And that was back when frames per second were super slow or super low over the internet. Resolution was crap. If you did it now and you use some of these models that are free online, you could have a really, really nice experience doing it on surrogate TV, for example. Another thing to think about is we have a thing called the Creators Fund at surrogate.tv. So we pick 10 creators a month and we pay for the entire thing, or at least pay partially for the project that they want to do, some sort of an online game, like a real life game. So if you want to make this idea, here, take it. Go to the NASA's website, grab that 3D file, apply for the Creators Fund on surrogate.tv. Just go to the top of the page, click Game Creators, scroll down, and you'll find Creators Fund. Make the Internet Mars rover. Drive around the desert in Utah or Arizona, or maybe just in your backyard, and change the colors to be all red and look really, really cool. Might be something there. Hey, you, hey, don't go to the next video. You've got to go down there. Go down there and hit subscribe and hit that bell if you want to get notifications, because subscribe doesn't work anymore. You got to hit the bell, and definitely leave a thumbs up if you like the video. If you want all the latest techie, nerdy gadget news, niche stuff that you're not going to hear about anywhere else, like maker news and all kinds of weird robotics, definitely subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you next time.